Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. Here's my project, my nightmare. This is the studio corner that I've been working on, and my shelves finally came in. I have been busy stacking and sorting and cleaning, organizing, and wow, I'm still in a mess. So I'm almost done. I think tomorrow I'll be able to wrap this up and be back on with some painting videos. Now, there was a new challenge that was put up today with the turquoise colors, and oh my goodness, I'd love to really get in on one of these challenges, but you see the mess I'm in. I could probably pull it off, just using one of those paint buckets, but I'd be making a mess on top of a mess. So I'm gonna pass on this challenge. And I've been waiting for one of these challenges to come along, and here, turquoise, I love blues, and I just can't do it right now. But I'm working on it. I'll be back, and after I get this organized, the next project is going to be the lighting. So I have the places already on the ceiling where I'm going to mount the lights, and the light boxes got to come in next. So then I'll be able to do much better videos with, and a lot of it has to do with the lighting. If your lighting's not right, your camera is in and out of focus, and you see a lot of other things in there. And so I will be back. I'm almost done. It won't be long. Take care, you guys.